Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Missbt here, coming to you guys today. All right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Missbt here. I'm coming to you guys today with 5 work from home tips. Okay, so as you guys have hopefully seen, I did post a full office tour. As most of you guys know, I do work from home full time, and so I have a full office set up, and I shared all of those details. So if you guys are interested in seeing my office and kind of what's behind me here, make sure that you check out that video. I will link it down below. But as an extension to that video, I wanted to just share with you guys 5 tips that I feel like are helpful, that have helped me as I work from home. So I'm going to go through those 5 tips. I just have them here on my phone. So if you see me looking down for any reason, that is why. I promise I am not ignoring you guys. And also follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the little notification bell, all that stuff. I'm pointing right here because, and you know, I'm assuming that I'm going to put it somewhere down here. Yep, somewhere right here. All right, let's get straight into the video. All right. Tip number 1. Make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi connection, okay? When I say strong, I mean S-T-R-O-N-G, okay? Strong Wi-Fi connection. I say that because when we selected the office to be in the front corner of our home, we did have a dead spot in this room. And so when I first started working from home, my connection was awful. And so what we ended up having to do is readjusting all of our Wi-Fi, and we had to get an extension. So we had to move the router upstairs and get an extension for downstairs to ensure that the entire house didn't have any dead spots. So I had to learn the hard way, so I'm trying to share that gem with you guys. Make sure you have strong Wi-Fi connection. Tip number 2 is create a unique workspace that allows you to be most productive. So I think one of the biggest things about working from home is definitely separating home from work, right? Because now your home is where you work and your work is your home. So it's really imperative that you make sure that you create some type of area that is allowing you to be most productive and where you can really get done, because we have to remember we are working, okay? But I do highly recommend, if it is at all possible, to choose a space that allows you to have at least some semi-privacy. So we did choose one of the bedrooms in our home, so we do have a door on the office, which is great for whenever we need to take calls, have meetings, just have some semi-privacy focus time. We're able to close that door, but then also keep it open if it is that we want to. So in addition to that is being able to, when I mention unique workspace, make it your own. Make it's your own vibe. Like, have it to where your workspace is a little bit different from maybe the rest of your home, so it feels like you're going somewhere. I think that's what I truly enjoy about my office, is that it is upstairs, so it's away from the rest of the house, and then also it is my own style. So I live with a house full of boys. You guys know, Bear and Little Bear. Boys. I'm outnumbered in this house right now, okay? So I have this little pod, this little babe cave that I get to come into every single day and work, and I feel good about it. It's mine. It's my space. Tip number 3. So tip number 3 is your actual desk setup. Now, when I say your desk setup, I mean, make sure that your desk area would be set up in a way that allows you to get all of your shit done, just like you would in an office. So make sure that your desk is set up to where you have your monitors, your docking stations, your chargers, headphones, printer, pens, paper, sticky notes, etc. All of that at your fingertips. And I say that because I know for me, having all of that, having the office supplies, having the printer, having my docking station and everything in the room allows me to be super efficient and productive throughout the day. I'm not fishing for something. I'm not running up and down the stairs or running up back and forth throughout the house trying to look for something. everything I need is in the office. Tip number 4. So make sure that you have a comfortable setup. When I say comfortable setup, I have a TV in the office. Sometimes I like to work in silence and sometimes I like to have background noise. So it's nice to have the option of the two without having to actually use my laptop for anything other than working at the time. So we have a smart TV setup in the office that allows me to flip back and forth between Disney Plus. Yes, I'm a Disney baby. It just is what it is. And now I have a baby who is in love with Disney too. So, you know, Disney Plus is worth every penny, by the way. Anyways, so I can flip back and forth between YouTube, Disney Plus, Spotify if it is that I just want to play some background music, YouTube TV if it is that I'm trying to just watch regular television, whatever it is I want to do. I have a smart TV that allows me to flip back and forth between all of those apps, and then it's just on. And then it also helps that in the event that we ever need to use the office as like a guest space, you know, with an air mattress or anything like that, there's a TV in here for anybody that might be in here. But I will say that it's super helpful for when Little Bear is in the office with me, because I just kind of set him up and he has his TV so he can watch whatever it is that he wants to watch, Netflix, all that stuff, while I can get, you know, some productivity time in as well. So my last tip is tip number 5. Make sure you have a space that has really good lighting. So I don't know if you guys are like me, but I know for me, I feed off of natural light. It is what makes or breaks my day. When we chose the office because it's at the front of our house and it has 3 large windows. And so having those large windows bringing in all that beautiful natural light in the morning, throughout the day, and it just really allows me to feel productive, feel energized, that I'm in a space that is well lit. Also, you know, if it is that you're unable to pick a space that has really good windows or really good lighting, make sure you add a good light in there as well. So what I did was I added a chandelier, fancy chandelier, and so I wanted a chandelier in here because I wanted it to be super girly and like feminine, but I also need a ceiling fan because we're hot-bodied in this house, and between all 3 of us we'll sweat in like a quick second. Okay, so wanted to make sure we had a ceiling fan in here as well, so definitely got a chandelier. And the great thing about this chandelier is that it is white light, so all of the little bulbs in the fan, or excuse me, in the chandelier, are the bright white bulbs. So when it's super gloomy, rainy, and dusty outside, I just pop on my light and it feels like it's daylight outside. Like, it's great. So whatever your preference is, you know, making sure you have some good natural light, making sure you have some good lighting in your space. Because I don't know about y'all, but your girl can't be productive in a dungeon. Okay? Alright guys, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'm hoping that these 5 tips will at least spark some thought for you guys and be helpful as you embark your work from home journey, or if it is that you don't have to be working from home full time to set up an office space or a workspace. So I'm hoping that these tips will be helpful, just universal, whether it is that you work from home full time or you're just looking to set up a space for you to be productive whenever it is that you feel like you need to. I will link everything down below. So everything that I showed in this video, I'll make sure I link it down below as well. And some of the stuff, most of the things that I got in here are from IKEA, so I'll try to link that down below, as well as from in my Amazon favorite store. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and go follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.